Celsius.
A sister Celsius.
And you had a sister caffeine gum.
Sister caffeine gum.
Apparently.
Call. This is new at Walmart. I usually don't get gum, but it has caffeine, and it definitely does have caffeine because it's skinny.
We're waiting for Sister Sandra. Let's hope that she brought her glasses. I also gave her a pair.
It's
But
actually really good. And it looks pretty in the cup.
yeah,
This is the Galentine cup that Sister Jen stopped out.
yeah, at Galentines yesterday.
Do you want to try this, Miriam?
Yeah.
Miriam's gonna be so caffeinated. Please share with us how much caffeine you had today.
I had a lot of coffee this morning.
How many spoons? Please tell us in detail.
3 heaping scoops of instant coffee. I love to feel that. As soon as I take a sip, I like to feel the veins in my pupils dilate and my eyes just.
Like,
I
I'm
love
awake.
that feeling. Yeah. So that's how much caffeine I had, and then I had some gum.
That had
60 milligrams of caffeine. And I was like, oh, there's no way. But I started checking and I was like, oh, there's some caffeine in here.
60 milligrams in one piece of gum.
Mm-hmm. Do you want some?
I'm drinking 200 milligrams right now of this.
Yeah.
Well, do you want some?
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Good. That was perfect.
We are standing too. That's
I've never seen a Stanley IRL.
same color.
Those are so big.
Yeah. It's made really big.
Okay, guys. So now Sister Sandra is here. We're gonna go on our hike. Unfortunately, she did not receive the telepathic message to bring her glasses, but she is wearing black glasses, so it's kind of matches. All right, we'll see you guys on the hike. Okay, we are on our sister walk now. It's really cold out here. I was hoping to leave my jacket, you know, because it doesn't really go with my outfit, but it's okay. Okay, so we have finished eating our pho and we're walking to Yummylicious next.
We're walking there to
Yeah.
burn off the calories.
From the pho we just ate. It's girl math.
Yes.
Cheers. I know. How cute.
That was still pretty good. Does anyone else want to try?
It's a good stretch. I feel like it's not with that attitude.
Yes, you can.
Wait, is this like a monkey bars or?
Ooh, I want to try it. Can you do monkey bars?
I don't know.
I feel like I'm pretty confident I could. Good job.
Ow! That hurt. I need to.
Okay, let me try.
Calluses. It does hurt.
Yeah.
I need gloves.
Yeah. I thought you were gonna hang on and swing with her. And I'm gonna play this in reverse. So it just looks like y'all are walking funny.